All your systems are looking good. You're going around the corner. We'll stay on the other side. Over.
Hey guys, Blue Earth Thing here, and we're back again at Happy Deer Observatory. Today, as you can see, we got one half of the roof done and one half of the roof not done. So that's our plan for the day, is to get this side looking like this side. We're gonna replace those joints right there, and we're gonna make it look like this with two boards and a hinge in between with another board on top. And that's our plan for the day. Also, it's about 90 something degrees out here, so it's gonna be terrible. This is Ferrari, because it's fast, like a Ferrari. That is Prius, because it's shit. Ooh, I hope I didn't hurt this. All right. So while working on the shed, we discovered that there's actually a species of cactus native to Alabama. I didn't know this, but the eastern prickly pear is found in bits of Alabama. It's so weird. Why are there cacti over here? We got ourselves two halves of an operational observatory roof. That side is really heavy. We finished it early tonight too. Off camera, we'll put ourselves the supports as you see right here. And then next time, hopefully, we'll get ourselves the roofing to make everything waterproof. But as for tonight, I think we're done. It's only 9 o'clock and we want to get home early. So we'll see you next week, hopefully, if time permits. Probably not, knowing me, but we'll see. I'll see y'all guys next time. Blue Earth Thing out.